Hi everyone, I'm Paul and I tell you everything you need to know about the artisanplus planning and inventory solution for coffee roasters. This is part 3 of the mini-series on the roast planning functionality. If you wonder why not all your beans appear in the beans drop-down here, you should see that a specific location is selected. When we go to the Stores tab, we see that in this storage location, only the 2 beans, mixed Mercedes and Cherry Robusta, are available, and, for example, not the Santos. That's why they are not listed here. However, you can start typing and it will find also beans that do not have any stock in the currently selected location. But it will give you a hint by displaying 0 kilogram in red. You probably would like to switch to another location, for example the roastery, where all relevant beans are in stock. Beans that you have hidden will not be displayed. So if we go to the Beans tab and show all the hidden beans, we see that the Tardessi has been hidden. That's why it won't show in the list of beans at all. You will also not be able to find it because, well, you had your reasons to hide it in the first place. What you can always do is use the search dialog here. This will find all beans you have or had, but you will not be able to schedule a roast with a hidden bean. The dialog gives you, however, the possibility to directly unhide it and then subsequently use it for your schedule. Since there is no stock in the current location, we change that and can then add it to today's plan. And, as always, this is synchronized with artisanscope. In the second part of this video, we look into how to use roast templates in the scheduling mechanism. Let's just remove the current background template. In the scheduler, there is a list of templates I can choose from. Currently, we have only one entry with a batch number 1234. To find out why this is listed here, we have a look at this roast's details. In the Roasts tab, we can search for a specific batch number. The search field is only visible on wider screens. You can, however, always open it using the plus icon here and choose batch number. So in this particular roast, we have selected the Always Available as Template checkbox, which simply means that it will be displayed in the drop-down in the scheduler window. Conversely, if we deselect it, it will not be featured in the list here. Besides marking specific roasts as potential templates, we can also directly search for templates or roasts using the search dialog. Here we can search for roasts with certain properties such as beans and a matching title. If one or more have been found, we can select one and make it available. We now edit the Cherry Robusta entry, set this template and save it. So if we now switch to artisanscope and select the cherry item, the template will be automatically loaded in the background. So much for today. Stay tuned and look forward to the next video where I will talk about how to make changes to a schedule already synchronized with artisanscope, but the useful favorites and a lot of the other great features of artisanplus.